In this video, you will learn how to unlock the default lock screen password on your Samsung A56. For those of you who have forgotten your password, PIN or any other password you may have set, since you can set several types of passwords on the home screen, right? Before starting the procedure, remove your SIM card and memory card because all the information on them will be erased. To avoid losing anything else, it's a good idea to take them out as well, okay? So let's get started. For some models, you will need to connect a USB cable from your computer to your phone, okay? Some people aren't able to unlock it because of this. So, for some models, it requires you to connect the cable. So, connect the cable and put it into emergency mode. This procedure works for other models as well, okay guys? You will press the volume down and the power button together at the same time. When it restarts, release only the volume down button and press the volume up button. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release only the power button and keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode, so we can go there and select the unlock option, which I'll show you here. It's a very simple and quick procedure, okay? So let's get started then. Cable connected, volume down and power. Keep holding both buttons together, just like I told you. Watch the timing as the device restarts. Release the volume down and press volume up. Pay attention to the screen now. Keep pressing. Release the power button. Keep holding the volume up button because in a moment it will enter recovery mode. This is recovery mode. You can now disconnect the cable. Now which option are you going to select? Press the volume down button to select the one that says Wipe Data Factory Reset and press the power button once. Go down again and press the power button one more time. Wait for these to finish. For information, press the power button once more. And here, you just need to wait, and the device will come back already unlocked. You'll see, it will return to its original settings. There won't be any more passwords, pins, nothing. In fact, this will also solve the problem if your phone was running slow. If it had any viruses, this procedure will fix that as well. That's good too, just wait for the device to restart. If you need to unlock your Google account, we can also do that for you, even remotely, no matter where you are. Just get in touch with us, okay? We'll be here to assist and respond to you. If this video helped you, and if you can, within your means, make a contribution to our channel, our pics will also be in the video description and the QR code will be on the screen, if available, to make it easier for you. Alright? That was today's video. Thanks, take care.